So I want to thank Cass Dilworth and Principal DeBusca. Aloha, everyone. Thank you for being here. Thank you, Governor Ige, First Lady, Congressman Case, our senators and representatives, Board Chair Payne, and our community partners for being here today. Thank you to our kumu and our staff for the incredible work you do here every day. I was here a couple of months ago looking at the student projects, talking to teachers about the incredible project-based learning work that you're doing here. And I want to thank you for really infusing that type of thinking and learning and engagement for our students. That has been an incredible learning experience for our young people. We wanted to come here today because all of you, as our students, are very special. We want to highlight the incredible programs that our students, teachers, and staff at Ala Wai Elementary have established. One of them is your amazing music program that we want to see throughout the state. Music is so important because it's the universal language that helps everyone to communicate, connect, and just have fun with the world around us. So it's so wonderful to see such great resources in schools like the Jake Shimabukuro Clubhouse for Music Learning and appreciation to enhance music education. Ala Wai also has a new Head Start program, and we're focusing on our youngest keiki, age 3 to age 5, a solid foundation for a very young age. And we definitely want to congratulate you on creating your beautiful Leave a Legacy mural. So I want to encourage all of our students to dream big, work hard, achieve your goals in life so that your picture can be on the legacy mural for future students as well. It's so important to work hard at everything you do and to help one another. Your teachers and your great staff here are here to help you towards your dream.